Welcome to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, USA, right beside the Great Smoky Mountains. This video will provide 10 reasons why people love Pigeon Forge.
I was just a gamer back in 69. Thank you.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, USA. Population around 7,000. Now just for context, we have a map here. We have circled Pigeon Forge. Pigeon Forge is 50 minutes from Knoxville and 20 minutes from Gatlinburg. Now this video will provide 10 reasons why people love Pigeon Forge. People love Pigeon Forge because of Dollywood. A day at Dollywood gives you a taste of life in the Smoky Mountains with all the trimmings. Dollywood dazzles the eyes every season of the year. As an internationally recognized theme park spread over 150 acres, Dollywood preserves its reputation by constantly updating its displays and amusements. People love Pigeon Forge because of the Titanic Museum. The museum balances human ingenuity, melancholy, and grace in a moving tribute to the best-known cruise ship and worst maritime disaster in history. Photo and informational exhibits are tastefully arranged in chronological order from the ship's design and construction in Belfast, Northern Ireland to its ill-fated maiden voyage from Southampton, England to New York City. People love Pigeon Forge because of the island in Pigeon Forge. The island is an entertaining hamlet within the resort town of Pigeon Forge. There are 60 small shops, places to eat, and venues to make you laugh and get your heart pumping. Live music stages energize the air while you relax in an Adirondack chair surrounding the massive island show fountain. People love Pigeon Forge because of Dollywood's Splash Country. Dollywood Splash Country, located next door to Dollywood, is a huge gulp of fun for the whole family. This award-winning water park is filled with rides and slides designed to create the biggest splash during your visit to Pigeon Forge. People love Pigeon Forge because of Old Mill Square. When Isaac Love built a grist mill on the West Prong Little Pigeon River in 1830, his goal was using hydropower to grind grain into flour. The grist mill still produces flour and generates more photographs than any other mill in the United States. The Old Mill Square is a favorite place to visit for Southern hospitality, with places to eat, find accommodation, and browse old-time shops that inspire nostalgia. People love Pigeon Forge because of the Alcatraz East Crime Museum. Connecting crime and punishment is a deadly combination for a tourist attraction. The Alcatraz East Crime Museum is so popular, you might question why people say crime doesn't pay. Permanent galleries add to the intrigue of famous crime stories. They focus on the application of punishment, methods to investigate and fight crime, and how crime and punishment are portrayed in popular culture. People love Pigeon Forge because of Wonderworks. Driving up to Wonderworks, you suspect disaster has struck and might think of running to the hills of the Great Smoky Mountains. Look again in disbelief as you stand in front of a mammoth colonial-style building turned upside down. This first impression lasts throughout your visit to Wonderworks, where scientific discovery defies belief at every turn. Wonderworks is one of the most imaginative and interactive tourist attractions in Pigeon Forge. People love Pigeon Forge because of the Hollywood Wax Museum. Driving into Pigeon Forge, your kids will be the first to point out the iconic statue of King Kong swinging from the Empire State Building. This realistic yet surreal copy of the silver screen classic is suspended above the Hollywood Wax Museum Entertainment Center. People love Pigeon Forge because of Kart Away at Rockin Raceway Arcade. For speed demons and arcade enthusiasts, Rockin Raceway Arcade is the most popular place to grab the wheel and push the accelerator of your gas-powered go-kart. Feel the grip of rubber on tight turns as you race to the finish line. The sizable collection of new and classic pinball and video terminals at Rockin Raceway means you have more than 150 games to choose from. People love Pigeon Forge because of Pigeon Forge Snow. Pigeon Forge Snow is a place to go when you have a hankering for wintertime fun, especially when it's a blistering 90 degrees in the August shade. With up to 10 lanes on an indoor bunny hill of ice, you and your family will enjoy this tube sliding adventure while racing to the base of the hill. Want more winter bliss? Check out the snow play area where snowmen and other creations come to life. The reasons provided in this video are not all the reasons why people love Pigeon Forge. If you've got a reason why you love Pigeon Forge, pop it in the comments section. I'll make another video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ciao for now!